I'm Josie, and today we are going to show you what we can do for you for your Easter table. We've had so much fun decorating this. As you can see, it's really looking gorgeous. We're very, very happy with the way it's turned out. We had fun making this serviette look like a bunny's ears, and we've put little eggs inside here with people's names on. What it looks like, a little bunny. Tell you why I chose these colors particularly. For me, Easter is quite a soft time, and I love these soft pastel colors. I think that they're beautiful for this time of the year, and the flowers that are blooming at the moment are really beautiful as well. So these tulips and all of that are all those kind of pastel lovely colors. Obviously roses, you can mix and match with anything. So I like soft for Easter. Obviously the yellow because of the chickens and the egg and all of that. But to add pink and a little bit of blue and lilac, so nice. So we've made this ice bucket with flowers. They are melting quite quickly in this heat, but so we've taken a rose and put it inside. If you want us to show you how to do this one day, we certainly will do that. But I just want to try and find a really beautiful one. Look how gorgeous this looks. Look how gorgeous that looks. And then we've got lilac roses over here. Wait, let me find you a good one. So the bits and pieces that you see here, we have bought from retailers that are close to our shops in Claremont. And yeah, we like to support small business wherever we can. So, but the flowers that we've used here today are not specific to Easter. Well, apart from the colors that we've chosen, but they are just what's blooming at the moment, and really it's a lovely time for flowers. They're beautiful things out there. As you can see, we've got these gorgeous roses. I'm just going to hold one up for you to have a look at nicely. See, and we've opened the petals so that it makes it look a little bit larger and more kind of like dramatic. So we've got that. We've got gerbers because of their bright yellow color. They just bring this whole thing to life. Cosmos, of course, is my favorite. So lovely and floppy, and it just floats and does that. So hydrangeas in the bottom here. We've got some coxcomb. We've even painted some little eggs and broken them in half and put them in here for you to see. Just with this kind of arrangement, what I love about it is that it creates interest because there are little pockets of loveliness all over the place. I think that. So now what we've done is we've removed all those other flowers and we've put these here, which are much different, and they are especially for when little children are invited to the party, with the bunnies in the middle and these lovely things that spin around in the wind, and a lot more chocolate on the table, and it's really brighter and more festive, and especially, as I say, for when they come. I hope that you've enjoyed looking at these flowers that we've done in this table decoration, and for all of those who are celebrating Easter, we say Happy Easter to you. Thank you so much.